how to refresh your curls in just 5 minutes. We can smooth down that frizz, hide that cowlick, and bring bounce back to those stretched out curls, all with this quick damp refresh routine. So first is the dry shampoo. It's an optional step, but the benefits are giving your scalp and hair a fresh scent, all while adding lift and volume to your roots. Now this particular product is a foam, so I added it to the pads of my fingertips and then applied it all over my scalp top to bottom. Next is to section the hair in top and bottom halves, clipping away the top section with the sectioning clip and then beginning the refresh process on this bottom part of our hair. Now with this damp refresh routine, we're adding just enough water to be able to rehydrate the hair and then adding just a pea-sized amount of gel to these smaller sections to really bring those curls back to life. So you can just go section by section. They don't have to be super defined. I'm just taking big chunks of hair here because we're really pressed on time. Curl by curl is really the way that you can tackle that frizz. And for these larger curl clumps, you can separate those to add more volume because more curl clumps equals more volume overall. So of course, you know that I love volume and I love trying to add that back in because over time, those curls can start to mesh together into larger clumps of curls and really condense your hair. So you can really expand that and open up your hair by giving it some more volume and some more airspace. But conversely, you can also condense your curl clumps with that water and really bring your curls back together. That'll help add definition as well. So you can see I'm moving pretty quickly here, just from section to section, the same process of taking little bits of hair, smoothing down that mixture of water and tiny bit of product. And for this top section, this is really the driest section because it's exposed the most to the elements, to the weather. So it may need a little bit more water than other sections of your hair, and that's okay. There's different textures and different parts of our hair, so treat it differently if needed. That's perfectly okay. And what if you need a faster refresh than just 5 minutes? Just refresh the top half like we're doing here. So you can just ignore the whole bottom half, clip that part down, and just refresh this top section so you can do it much more quickly. And that top part of your hair that's more visible, if you're planning to wear it down or even if you're planning to wear it up, you can make sure that crown area and all of those face framing pieces are refreshed and ready to be restyled. And the best part about this damp refresh routine is that there's absolutely no blow drying needed at the end. Once you're done doing this process, you're done and you're ready to go. So it's so little water that it should just air dry very quickly and you'll be able to get on with your day. But for me, for example, today was a rainy day, so I am adding an extra product for some weather insurance. So first, I'm just going to smooth out the edges. I do have a lot of baby hairs around my face, and so you can just use your flat hand to just smooth that out and then open up your hair and apply hairspray all throughout to really get all angles of those curls to really give you more weather protection, which I needed today. And then you're ready to go out in the world, either to leave your hair down again, smooth and shiny, or to be able to put it up in a quick hairstyle as well. So I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.